So let's make this protein packed, nutrient rich, delicious recipe with black chickpeas and potatoes. How about if I say this one dish is the most sorted out dish because can be used for breakfast, can be used for breakfast sandwiches, can be used for wraps, can be packed in tiffin, wholesome protein packed dish. And in this recipe I have used very bare basic ingredients to make a dry preparation of this black grams or chickpeas or chana dal. So stay tuned for the entire recipe, you will love the flavors. Hey guys, I am Subankari and I welcome you all to my channel So's Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my video. So let's begin with this awesome recipe. So for this recipe I have taken here potatoes, I have peeled them and I have soaked them in water. I have cut it into cubes. These are the black chickpeas. I had soaked it overnight and I had boiled them with salt for 2 whistles in high and 2 whistles in low. That's it. And here I have taken a kadhai, added some mustard oil. You can use the regular oil. And for tempering I have used some bay leaves. 2 large tablespoons of chopped garlic goes in and chopped ginger. This will give a very nice flavor initially, sauteing this ginger and garlic. Green chilies I have added and 1 large size onion I have chopped and added. Make sure I'll just saute it for around 30 to 40 seconds because we don't want this onions to be overcooked, because after 40-50 seconds I'll be adding the potatoes that I had cubed, and this will simultaneously nicely roast together the onions and this potatoes. Some salt I have added, and as the potatoes will start to brown and will cook, the onions will also cook. So I'll reduce the flame now, cover it and leave it for around 7 to 8 minutes on low flame. And this is it, the steam has done its work. The potatoes are almost 70 to 80% done here, and at this stage I will be adding the green coriander stem. Basically the leaf part I will be using afterwards in the recipe, and I always do use a scissor for cutting this coriander stems or maybe green chili. This makes the works easier. Do try this trick. And here I will keep this leaf part aside to be used later, and now I will give it a mix. At this time the flame is low because I have not added any water to this potatoes, and this will give a very nice aroma. And after that I will be adding 1 large size tomato chopped. Give it a mix, and now the flavors of this tomatoes, ginger, garlic, onions with the coriander stems is releasing so nice smell. Just give it a mix, cover it in low flame for around 3 to 4 minutes till the tomatoes have softened. You can see here it's beautifully done. This dish at this stage itself can be consumed because the potatoes have all the flavors of this condiments. But now at this stage I will be adding the boiled black chickpeas, and to this I will be adding some dry spices, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and cumin powder. Red chilli powder amount needs to be varied according to your taste, but make sure the other amount should be perfect. Give it a mix, and the black water of the chana dal adds to this taste, and make sure to add salt accordingly because we had already added some salt in potatoes, and the chana dal or the chickpeas had some salt. I had added some salt to boil it. I will be adding the green coriander leaves at this stage. Give it a mix at low flame, and now I will cover it. As this preparation is a dry preparation, so I have added very little amount of water, so you can adjust accordingly. I will cover it in low flame for around more 7 to 8 minutes so that all the flavors is nicely absorbed by the chickpeas and the potatoes. And now I will add some chaat powder 1 tablespoon, garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi 1 tablespoon, and black pepper powder half a teaspoon. Adjust salt accordingly, give it a mix, and this tasty preparation of black chickpeas with potatoes, it's almost done. The black water or the chana water has been absorbed by the potatoes, and this preparation has a very nice consistency. So as I said initially, it can be used for wraps, sandwiches. Just mash this potatoes with chickpeas and it can be used as wraps or filling for wraps or sandwiches. And this can also be enjoyed with roti, parathas or some rice. Goes very well with this all these things. Give it a mix. I have added some green chili slitted and some green coriander leaves, and the base is basically clear. It just has completely dried out. Don't over dry it because when it cools down it will become more thick. It's done. So easy peasy recipe of this protein packed dish. You can see here how lovely it's looking. Adjust the amount of salt and red chilies or green chilies accordingly, and it's ready to be served. And as I said, this is one recipe which can be multi-purposely used. And some red chili, it's fresh red chilies for garnishing, and some coriander leaves. It's done here. Do try this recipe, you will love the flavors. Goes best with, as I said, some puris or parathas or rotis, and can be also packed as a filling for sandwiches or some wraps. You will love the flavors with some mint chutney. Do give it a try and let me know how it turned out. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from Sinushri Patri. She writes, I am just mad about all your recipes. Your voice, nice explanation, everything is just wow. Perfectly done. I am a subscriber of yours. Thank you so much, Sinushri. Yes, I do know you are a subscriber of mine because I love reading your comments. Thank you so much for such encouraging words. She has actually commented on the recipe of Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani. Thank you so much for your lovely words. Stay safe and stay connected. And as per today's recipe, do give the recipe a try. You will be in love with the flavors of this recipe. And if you have loved my video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. You can also follow So's Food Corner in Instagram and Facebook. This is Subhankari and thank you for watching my video. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.